Want a yard that stays picture perfect all season long? With just 2 simple coats, Lockscape Mulch and Rock Glue locks your mulch, pea gravel, and small stones in place so they won't blow away, wash out, or scatter. It's pet safe, water permeable, and keeps your beds tidy while still letting rainwater reach the soil. And application is super simple. Let me show you how. Lockscape comes in both concentrated and ready-to-use formulas, so you can choose the version that fits your needs. Choose a warm, dry day above 50 degrees Fahrenheit and make sure the area will stay dry for 36 hours after spraying. Before applying, your mulch or rocks must be clean and completely dry. Blow or brush away all leaves, grass, dust, and debris, and ensure no moisture is left on the surface. This step is critical. The glue will not bond properly if the material is damp or dirty. For best results, apply over mulch or gravel about 1 to 1.5 inches deep. If you have the ready-to-use version, simply pour Lockscape directly into your garden or backpack sprayer. No mixing required. And for concentrated glue, simply mix it with water at a 1-to-1 ratio. 1 part glue, 1 part water. Add the mixture to your sprayer and shake well. Spray evenly across the mulch or rock surface until saturated. Lightly rake or flip the material to ensure good coverage. Immediately apply a second coat for a stronger, long-lasting bond. Firmly tamp with a trowel or gloved hands. Allow 12 to 36 hours for the glue to fully cure, depending on sunlight and temperature. Avoid rain or watering during this time. For best hold, reapply every 6 to 12 months. Important note, Lockscape Mulch and Rock Glue is not designed for driveways, patios, or areas with heavy foot traffic. After you're done, flush your sprayer and wand with warm, soapy water right after use to prevent clogging and damaging the sprayer. And that's it. With Lockscape, you spend less time fixing and more time enjoying your yard. Go get your Lockscape now.